Okay, ma'am. I'm waiting 1 minute more so that all more participants can join. Then I'm going to start it. I can read your chat, ma'am. Shreyash, what is your problem? You're not able to import the products. Which products? And from where you are importing? Send me the lines, the code you have written. I'm waiting for under 1 minute and I'm going to start. Yes, mute your mic. Okay, from products import view, you're not able to do it. Shreyas, see that you have used it products or product. Product or product. I think you have to use product. So from product import views. Why these URL patterns in these orders? The empty card didn't match any of these. Tavishi, when you type the URL, see typing with the admin stash, it is being opened properly. Or use index. When you use index, it will be opening the web page which you have given. It's a correct name. Then it should be not throwing any error. Shreyas, write from and then press Control Enter or Tab. Then see some hint will be coming. In that hint, see that the products is coming or not. See, Shreyas, try this one. Okay, welcome back everyone. Till down, we have seen the basic of Django. How to install the Django, how to create a basic app, how to start our first website. We have seen this. Hope everyone has made the website like this. Okay, I'm opening the views. Views.py. Okay. See, Ashwani, I have opened. Everyone, this should be like this. The index page. If this is happening, then we are going to make some web pages. One fast. Okay. You can resolve your error. Now I want to know that how many of you know something about HTML? Okay. Ashwani, your problem is resolved. Okay. So how many of you know the HTML language? We are going to design the page using HTML only. Okay, good. So I'm giving you this form. I'm giving you this form. I will show an hint of you how you can make it. If anybody is not knowing, she can have the help from this. You have to make this registration form. I will be showing you. Let me stop this server first and start this one. Okay, we will be creating some shopping site like this. Okay, basic. You don't know HTML, it's don't problem. We will having the HTML introduction also. Okay, in this class. Basic introduction, basic HTML I've used just to make visible that how we can do it. We will be not using right now image because image has some steps in that. We will be only focusing on the form first. Okay. How to create a text box, text area, this drop down, this check box, radio button, the email you will be seeing. See, or I should make you write even though. I'm making you a new HTML page. All of you make a new HTML page. You can have it like registration.html. Okay. For start the HTML, we have the HTML tag. We have the head section. We have the body section. Okay, we have the head and body. In head, we can define the title also. Those who are not knowing, this is for basically for you. Shopping site. Okay, any doubts? Let me see the chat box once. Okay. Body. Now I'm going to create a form. To create a form, there is a form tag. Basically, HTML works on the tags. So there are different inbuilt tags. Okay, we are going to use that. You can write it down. Those who does not know, we have a table tag. In the table, to create a row, we have tr tag. Then to create a column, we have td tag. For creating a table, we have table tag. For creating a row, we have tr tag. For creating the column, we have td tag. So we can have name. And here we can have input, type is equal to text. Okay, we can assign some name also of this. Name. Okay, this is my first row. Simply, I can create the second row also. Address. Or I will not create an address. Eventually, I will create an text area. Address perfectly. Address, if I want a text area. So I will write text area. In text area, there are attributes, rows. We can assign 3 rows. Columns, we can assign 20. Hope you're getting this. Everyone, hope everyone is getting this. Okay. Those who know the HTML, take a screenshot of this. You have to make this. Take a screenshot of this and start making this registration form. Those who are not knowing, I will be telling you, then you will be making this registration form. I suppose that you have taken this screenshot. Take this and start making this. You want to write the field, you can write it down. Otherwise, I'm telling HTML programming to the person, the students who doesn't know. This is for using the text. This is for the text area. Now we will have for the sitting drop down. How to create a drop down. Okay, how to create a drop down menu. We are going to learn it about. Okay, we can have select. In select, we can have name of select, or we can have options. Okay, in options, we can have Chandigarh. We can have more options. Okay, you can type anything here. Okay, I'm creating a new page for you all. You will see how to create a new page and how to add the linking. Okay. This is for the drop down like this. I will show you what is this. Firstly, we have created the text, then we have text area, then we have created this drop down. Now we are going to create the radio button. Okay. I'm just copying it so you can have it, the code which I have written, the code also. Okay, I'm writing the next TR. Okay, TD gender, TD is input radio, type radio I will write, then it will come like radio buttons. Okay. Then I have label it for male, female, radio male, radio female, and others. You can write it down for the radio button. Now it's the for the, let me copy one thing more, then you can write it down. If you want to have the email, there is an email tab. Take a type email in HTML file. You can directly use email. Write it down fast and create the things which are needed in this. The radio button, the text area, the text. I've already told. You can also make now. And at last, you can have it's TD call span. I am collapsing the row, the column. Sorry, I'm merging the columns using call span. If you want to merge the row, you will use row span. Then I am writing input type button. Input type is equal to button. Name. Submit. Right down. This code I am writing basically for the person who do not know the HTML. So you can write down for the students which are not doing the HTML coding. I have make you write, make you able that you can design this form easily. I have made the text area, the radio button, text, text, and the submit and reset button. You can easily create this. In 5 minutes. Then after that, I will be moving further. In between, if you have any doubt, you can ask. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the chat box. Okay, Sudhanshu. Actually, this was basically HTML code. So I've written this so that you can copy it out. Okay. Just design one web page, then we will be moving further. Other web pages I will be giving you for the homework. As an assignment, you will be doing making the web page so that we can do the connectivity tomorrow. Two more major points have been there. How to load the images, how to load CSS file. We will be learning this in the upcoming session. We will be learning how to load the images in this. You cannot directly access the images as you access in Java and other language. There is particular procedure for accessing the images and CSS file. I will let you know. Firstly, I want that one web page should be created by you. And after that, I'm going to ask how should I access this registration.html? How should I access this page? You will be giving me an answer only. So with the answer, I have made them registration.html and how to access it. How can I open this in the as in web page? No, using run server, it will not run, Vishaka. We have to do some configuration setting as we have done for the first web.html. Same has to be done for the registration.html. Ready with the answer? Okay, Tavish is saying import in views. And after importing in views, one more changement we have to do. What is that changement? Two changes. Views and one is more. Yes, Shreyash. Add path in URLs. Define function in view and then. Ashwani, you're perfectly correct. Define function in view and then define an URL file. Good. We have to do two things after this. Firstly, I want that the person who are not knowing the HTML should do some programming like this. They should create a web page. Suppose you have written this all. I suppose if the person who are not knowing the HTML have any doubts, can ask me. Don't feel inconvenient on asking for the HTML codes. Doesn't matter. I'm here to teach you. I can teach you, and afterwards you can learn HTML from the internet. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Otherwise, you'll copy the code and make a form like this. Everyone, I want the form like this. I want the code in the chat box once you have written. Copy the code in the chat box. Anybody finished? Copy the code in the chat box. Waiting for your response, everyone. Try to do it fast. Okay. When I am defining the gender, it's for Sarthak. Sarthak, there is an input type radio. Okay, input type radio, you can see. Input type radio, we have, if I want to have a radio button of male, I'm writing male. This is for writing only. You can remove this all. You can remove this label and all. It's not like that. You can write simple input type radio male, then input type radio female ID hogi iski or female. Then another radio button, then other. These are 3 radio buttons and these are 3 texts which we are able to see. Okay, an email, there is an input type email. It takes the email. Okay, hope it's being cleared. Now, please tell me about the project. Kashish, which project you are going to make in this? That's one. Kashish or Johar, I think. Can you listen, Kashish? Which columns you have merged, ma'am? I have merged 2 columns. They are created in 2 columns. I have used 2 TD, Vishaka. So I don't want a 2 TD. I only want 1 button in the single. So I have merged 2 columns. Hope you got, Vishaka. Kashish, can you hear me, beta? Which project do you want to know? Acha, let me have the example like this. It will be more clear when I show you in the here, Vishaka. I am creating a, let me see, I am creating 2 columns every time. Okay, name, then a checkbox, address, name, then text box, name, then text area, then having a radio button like this. Okay, next I want email. I'm writing email and an email bar here. Then I don't want these columns, so I'm merging this. I want a button in the center, so that's why I have merged these 2 columns. Now hope Vishaka, it's been clear to you. Okay. Kashish, I think you are not able to listen me. You have asked, ma'am, please tell me about the project, and after that you are not replying. Might be you are not audible or you are not listening. Mama, run my server, but the text box isn't aligned with name and address. It is aligned where? You have used table, Shreyash? Did you have used table? Shreyash, okay, you have used the text box. You have used proper column, then it will be aligned properly. See, in this I have used the text box table also. In table, in column is aligned in one column is this, another column is this. Okay, city gender is aligned. See, you have used a TD many times or what? See, proper indentation, proper labeling, it should be there, Shreyash. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to have this view here also. Okay, I'm going to define a function here. See how it's look like. Then we will change some look and feel. What I'm going to do, we will add some registration. Okay, and here after registration, when it is clicked, you should call the registration.html. Okay, this views have been saved. Now I have to make an URL for this. I create a URL. In this, I want when it have the registry reg name, then it should open and it should call the function registration. This is the function, I suppose. This perfectly correct. Now I will stop this server is running. I will stop the server. Now I will run this server. Let me see how our page looks like. It's not register, it's reg. See, it's looking like this. Okay, some name and address indentation problem is there. Let me see what I've done. Okay, I have not created TD, that's why it's going upper. If I put it in TD, it will be in sequence. If now I run it, see it's like this. The button is not coming, the name is not coming. So we'll write value is equal to submit. And if I see that, it should be an ID or what? Let me see how to make it. But other thing was I have to center align it. I want this into my center. I will use the center tag. Now you can see it went to the center. Everyone got it? See, my program is running. Yours should also be running. Okay, Ashwani has given me the code. Good. Only Ashwani has given me the code. Shreyansh, might you have as I resolve it, you can resolve it your problem also. Good, Ashwani. You have to use the center tag. See, I've used the center tag. Before the form, I've used the center tag. One code more I got from Shazel. Shazel has also given me the code. Waited for many more. I would like to see everyone codes here. Let me have the codes. Ma'am, please tell again how to run it. Okay, I'm telling you, Nishay. I'm copying the paste of Shizzle. Let's see how Shizzle code looks like. Okay, I'm just copy and pasting it, and I am running it. Shizzle, your code is running like this. See, where is the problem? See, the alignment is not properly. Some code, some is missing in that. Now I'm going to copy the Ashwani code. Ashwani has also given me some code. I'm copying Ashwani's codes. And at last, he has also sent some code. Yes, I'm pending this also. Okay, this is Ashwani's code, and now I learned. See how its form look like. Perfect, Ashwani. You have drawn perfectly as I have given. Good. This is the Ashwani form which I am showing you. You can use align center in table also. If you want to have the table in center, you can use align center also. Ma'am, it is not working right. Yes, Sejal, you can see that some codes were printing. Okay, Nisha, I'm telling you how to run it again. When you make that file now, go in the views. Define a function. Okay? In that function, pass the page name. Then go to the URL section, create a path of this, pass the function, and create a name on which you can access it. And then you can have the run server. Okay. Thank you, Shreyash. How to add text on the button? See, it's with the value only. I used value now. Used value is to write the text, add text on the button. Hope everyone is enjoying in that. You are going to make your shopping site in 3 days. So be ready with that. We will not doing the payment mode, but we will be almost doing half of that, half of the shopping site, except the payment. So be energetic, be enthusiastically and participating in this. Any doubts till now? If this is over, then I will be making you how to use images and CSS file. If you are done with this, then I am going to move on further with the CSS and the image file. I will wait for each and every student. I want yes, ma'am, from everybody if I have to move forward. Tomorrow at the starting, firstly, I will be listening from you all how to run the code, how Shesh, which code? The original one which I made. Let me see, Control Z is working. Yes, it's working. This is that code. No, this is not that one. I think this is the code. Suppose this is the code. I write it, not ID. I should write it plainly. This one now, Shesh, the code you were asked. Okay, this one is that. Only 2 students have given me the output. I want everyone. There are 67 students connected. And I got 2 students answer for the HTML code, which I have shown you. Come on, fast, girl. I didn't got anything from any girl. Hope, Shresh, you got it. Okay, someone has responded me. Very good. Ankit Vadwa. I'm copying his code. I'm copying Ankit Vadwa code. Ankit, some line is missing at the last. Can you send me what you have written after value? Till value it has come. After value you have to resend it. Then I'm going to paste it. Okay, thank you. So sweet of you. Okay, I'm running Ankit Vadwa code. Let's see how his form looks like. Okay, the forms which I have given. Okay. Ankit, now you have to make this form. Okay. Now you know how to make the form, then you can make this form easily. For the homework, you will be making this more form, thus two forms. Feedback, registration, and one form more, sign up form. I will be showing that form. Okay, for the homework. So we will be doing the linking, we will be doing the HTML, the pages linking with the database tomorrow. Today we will be only having the designing part ready for the website. Any doubts are prevailing, you can ask. Only 3 codes I got. I want many codes. At least 10 from this much strength. Aman, how to run code? You go on the view file, write this function, create a new function as you created before, then map this function in the URL. Hope you got Aman. And then run server and run it. Okay. Yes, Shivam, there is no order because I'm not speaking anything. I'm waiting for you all. Hope Ankit, another two. Oh, that I will be showing you. I will be giving this PPT. Okay, you can have the screenshot of this also. Have the screenshot of this. Please take the screenshot of the homework also. Hope you have taken this one also. Feedback form also. Hope you now moving further. Hope you will create the forms. These 3 forms you will be creating. Okay. Hope this is also been done. You have welcome. The first page have been done by everyone. So what is the command to run server? It's python manage.py run server. I will make you visible. See, you got the command. Now, if I want to use images, then what is the fundamental? We're moving on towards it. Can we move on towards the image? You want some time for running it? Please reply in the chat box so I can know that you are doing anything or not. Otherwise, I'm speaking only. Okay, ma'am, I want your code. You have given the code. Shivam, did you design anything or you didn't design? You can tell me if you. Okay. But, you design it or not? Chalo, we are moving further. Okay, good then. See, if I want to use some image, then what I have to do? Eyes on the screen, everyone. This is an important part. Otherwise, you will be facing many more problems in that. Okay? Please on the screen. Stop doing the command. I will be giving the command. So whatever you want to use, suppose I will be stopping this. Okay, it's been stopped. I will let you know that. If I want this here as an image, okay, then what I will be doing? Okay, the code is for this only. So before the form which I created, I would like that okay, I will first of all, you have to make a static code. Again, going to the this one, widen heading, everyone. Write heading to add image. Okay, add images like this. To add images. Write the heading in the first point. Okay. Right click on the app. Right click on the app. Then create Kamal, mute yourself. Create new folder, that is directory. Name static. Okay, name static. In static, create new folder, name static. After this, create a new folder called images and save your images inside this. Drag and drop. Okay. After you do this, the second point is copying set of codes which I am providing in settings.py. See, if your code run properly without these huddle, then it's no need of copying into the settings.py. If it does not run, then there is a need set of code which I will be providing. Okay, it's depend on it's running or not. Okay, second step you have written. Now third step. Third step is load the static page. Load the static folder and use image tag. Write it down. Hope you have written. What are the set of codes? Let me make you see. Hope you have written, everyone, the steps. Now, in the settings.py, you will go if your code does not run. If your code does not run, you will go in the settings.py. And at the last, you will be writing these codes. Okay, at the last, only this will be written. This is written at the last, but you have to add this much in the starting of the desk line. Write down these codes. I'm sending in the chat box also. Okay, it's going to Amandeep, ma'am. How do I should check? How could I send to present to everyone? More upside. I'm not able to see that how to send it to everyone. It's going. Okay, Shiva, I'm sending you the code. You can text it in the to everyone. Okay, if you got this, you can text to everyone. Hope you are getting the code. Okay. First line, what we have written. In the first line, you can see that we have written right click on the this. You have to create a right click on this app. You have to create a new directory with a static name. And the static, you have to make another directory called images. And you have to save the images by dragging and drop in this. Scene start images. I have these two images. You can see it. Okay, hope this you have created. Then the second step was copying set of codes in settings.py. I've shared the code with you all. Okay, settings.py, and you can add this code here. Okay, here after the static files, you can have this code. Okay, you can directly paste this code there. Here in between. Hope it's done. Now the third step was load the static folder. Now we have to load the static folder. Okay, how we load? We use these tags when we want to implement some coding in between HTML. If you want to implement some coding, we are using this tag. Okay, then we have to simply use load static. It will load the static folder. Load static will load the static folder. Then you have to fourth step for the use image tag. In the source, you will writing like this. You will be writing like this. कोड्स के अंदर आपको ये वाले टैग्स लिखने हैं क्योंकि हमें इसके अंदर कोड यूज करना है. कोड में क्या यूज करना है? स्टैटिक में जाके उसके अंदर इमेज में जाके हमें header.jpg फाइल को दिखाना है. We are implementing inside the HTML. That's where we are using these tags. Then height and width can be defined. Hope you are done with this. Hope you have written these steps also, and then what I have done, you have done this. Write these code. You're able to see my this code screen or not? What can you see on my screen? Everyone, what can you see on my screen? Can anyone tell me? Is I'm audible to anyone? Okay. I think my network connection has been reestablished. It has gone. That's why you were not able to answer my question. Okay. Let me see what all reply you have done. Word dog, the word dog last time was 13:23. Okay, 3 minutes. The voice was lost. Okay. Now it's perfectly fine. You can hear me? Okay, I'm going back again, repeating it again. I think my screen was stuck. I was not audible. Okay. Perfectly fine. I'm having it again. Firstly, to add images, you have to right click on the app, create new folder. Then in that folder, you have to name it like directory. Then the images. Then in the images, you can copy the images. Second line. Second point is you have to copy the set of code in settings.py. Third is load the static folder. Fourth is use the image tag. So firstly, what to create a folder in the app called static, then images. And then in images, we have to copy and paste the image. Okay, इतना हो गया. Second step was to go into static settings.py and you can copy the code from here. Actually, not able to send you the individually. I am able to send. Let me try to reply you. Okay, we copy this code. Then after the third was to load the static. To load the static, we have load static. Okay, we load static is there. We use these tag when we want to implement the codes within the HTML. If you want to implement the code within the HTML, okay, I will be sharing the base.html. But the problem is that I can share it to one person, but I'm not getting to share with everyone. Shivam, please share this to everyone. If you are able to send to everyone, you can paste this code in the chat box. So you have, if you want to use any Python code between HTML, you have to use these tags. Then fourth step is you have to use the image tag, the image src, and then the src, I'm using some code static. So I will again using these codes to have some Python codes, then static, and then I will be giving the path images / header.jpg, and then width and height. Hope it's being cleared. Do it fast. Thank you, Shivam. Earlier code also. Okay, Tavishti, thank you. Hope everyone got the my base.html also, and the course to be pasted. My pleasure, Tavishti. Do it and run it. When you will run this, you will get like this, the image. If you perfectly run this. Otherwise, if the image will be not coming. Paste some images in the folder and try it with that. I'm giving you Ekant. That is incomplete one. Last is only the, okay, I will sending the whole code then. It's up to, see, it's up to gender, name gender. Female. Shivam, please. This one also. Thank you. Actually, it's not. I'm not able to minimize my screen. The chat box screen now. I'm not able to minimize it. Why I'm not able to minimize it? I'm trying it too, but I have the presenter screen and not able to minimize my chat box. I can minimize chat box and see. I think so. It's inside it, but I'm not able to minimize my chat window. Stuck. Do it fast. Waiting for you all. I can move it from the upper side, but I cannot move it from the smaller one. Now I think I can move it up. No, it's not moving. Yes, now I have the whole. I can minimize it to everyone. To everyone. Now I have to do it like this. Okay, perfectly. Now I can send the codes to everyone. There's 2 lines of code I can send to everyone. It's to me only. Can you get any code? Yes, so you are getting the code. Okay, thank you. So, hope you are done with how to import the images, how to use the images. If you want to use the MarQ, which I have used this, see, a MarQ is moving around, fail 50%. If you want to use this, there's a MarQ tag. I have assigned the background color. You can do many of more and sale 50%. Okay, you can add many more. You can have this code also. Okay. Then moving on further with the last topic, how we can use the CSS. How we can have these CSS. It's very difficult that in the class I can tell you how the CSS actually we make these CSS, but it's better that I will tell you that you can copy the code from the CSS from the internet and you can make your very good. How we can do this? I will tell you. In the static folder, you create a folder CSS. Now we are learning about the CSS. It's had the heading to add CSS file. First will be create folder CSS in the app folder static. Again, the static we have to create the CSS. We can create CSS.css file then. Third is load the file using. We can load the file. It's fair enough to write this. Write these statements using CSS. Hello. Okay, Kashish, you can ask me afterwards. Hope you have written the CSS steps. Then, similarly, first step was make a static folder. In that, you have to make CSS. You have to make the CSS file. Okay. The best way of using the CSS file, I will tell you. W3 Schools. You can go to W3 Schools. Firstly, I will make you see that what is the difference between the CSS when I use it. If I use the sign up, you can see my sign up. Its look and feel are different. If I go to the register yourself, you can see my register yourself is different because I've used the CSS. Okay, I've used the CSS. This is my CSS file. When I go to sign up.html, how did I call this? I had called this using in head section. You have to type this code. I'm sending you.
लेकिन सबसे पहले मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा
MS Sharma, please mute yourself. Chandan Sharma. Okay, thank you. So from loading this style sheet CSS, we have link rel style sheet, type text.css, and here we are loading the static again, and we are passing the style folder. Okay, hope it's done. How to load the static? 3 steps we have done with this. We can go from one page to another. See, I'm going from sign up page to register yourself using hyperlink. See, I'm here. I want to go into next page. I'm using hyperlink. So for hyperlink, there is a command. Anchor. Anchor tag is there. Anchor hyper. You have to simply pass the URL which we have created for that register yourself. Registration.html के लिए जो URL बनाया है वो पास करना है आपको. For the hyperlinking, if you want to use the hyperlinking. Hope it's being clear to everyone. You can do it. I'm giving you time for the hyperlinking and the CSS sheet. From where you can get the CSS sheet, I'm telling you. You can have it from the internet, from anywhere. Okay, you can have it from anywhere. It's not the issue. But if you go to the W3 Schools, There are different forms which are freely available, and the code is freely available. And many others, if you want to have a button look like this, there is a CSS code for this. You can have it. Try yourself in the W3 schools, and there are many sites also from where you can get the CSS. Good look and feel. CSS is basically for making the web page look good and look good. You can have it. I'm giving you 10 minutes to do these all. Try to run the CSS, the image, and the hyperlinking. You have 10 minutes to it. Kashish, I'm explaining you from the starting. When you will, Kashish, are you there? You can type yes, because I'm going to explain for you only. If you are there, write Y, so I can pursue. Okay. Kashish, see that if you have created this HTML file, Kashish, you have created the HTML file. I want your response. Kashish? In this code.txt, what is, I haven't opened your code. Okay, you have created an HTML file, then you have to go to the settings. Hope you have done the settings changement. Then you go to the views, create a function, pass the HTML page name. Create a function in view, pass the page name here, and then you can call it using the URLs. Go to path and have the function name here. Define the function name here. Hope, Kashish, you got it. Okay. Welcome. Repeat the load file for CSS. Please explain again after creating static folder. For the CSS, Ankit, okay. So firstly, what we have created a folder in static. In static, we have created CSS. In CSS, we have created a new file of .css extension. Okay. Then we have load the file. See how we have created it. We right click. We have created a new directory named static. In that, we have created a CSS folder. In that, we have created style.css. Okay. After we have created this, then I have to load it in my HTML page. So I have used in the head section. I will use in the head section. Remember, in the head section, I have load the static, and then I have used link. Link tag is used for importing the style sheet. Using the style sheet. Then HRF I have passed the path of this. Hope it's being clear. Sarthak, Ankit. Hope you got your answer, Sarthak and Ankit. Okay. Hi, you, Sarthak. Signup.html. Okay. For the signup.html, I'm sharing you. You have to be using the script file also, Shivam. I've been sharing you. I'm sharing you the signup.html. I'm sharing with everyone. Okay. For this, I have used which style sheet? Can anybody tell me? Style1.css. I'm giving you the style sheet also. I'm providing you the style sheet also. Now you can try it. I've given you all the code. Now you can try it. You can try it. Tomorrow, okay, with the SQLite database. Okay. Firstly, I will be covering MySQL, then SQLite. So it will be easy for you to make a project. Sure, I'm not speaking. I've given you time to do this CSS one. I've shared you the CSS file also, the signup.html also. You have to perform this task. Yeah, I've shared you the codes. The style1.css, the signup.html, you have to just copy paste and see that it's running perfectly or not. After running, you will be getting this. Okay, after running, you will be getting this. Try that. This is your screen is coming like this or not. From tomorrow, we will be having the MySQL. Okay, we will be doing the MySQL. For that, we will be using the XAMPP. Okay. If you have already installed, it's good. If you haven't, we will be installing tomorrow. Any doubts? We can have 10 minutes doubt session if any. If any doubts are there, then I can take it. You can ask the doubts. No doubt. Okay, Shivam. So everything is being cleared or all clear? Okay, Yuvraj, no doubt. So you are getting everything which I am teaching, that's mean. Don't doubt means that you know everything or you didn't got anything. Actually, when we, okay, Pushpender, no doubts. Okay, then it's good I'm teaching good then. Or you are not listening. Can we show Python plots in website using this framework? Yes, we can use it. The coding part can be done as same as we do in Python. Okay. You can download XAMPP for Windows. Okay? XAMPP for Windows, we will be using MySQL portion of XAMPP. And you should be okay, Dipanshu, thank you. You should have my PyCharm should be ready with you. Your pages should be ready with you. I am again showing the homework which you have to do. There's 2 work. Total 3 pages you have to make. Feedback. In a website, we will be having 3 pages basically. Firstly, we will be registration something. We will be seeing after registration. Okay, I'm showing you a second one. See what will be the procedure of a website. We will be, firstly, we will have a sign up page. If we are not signed up, then we will be going to the registration page. If we are not registered, or if we registered successfully, then we can select some item. We can see some item. See what items are there in the on the shopping site. Then we can add that into the cart. Okay, and then we can give the feedback. That's all we are going to do in these 4 days. Okay, do these 3 pages, and yesterday I have given also the assignment that you have to implement BFS and DFS. Hope you have done. BFS and DFS I have given you to implement using NetworkX. Hope you have done. And today these 3 forms I am giving to have it and connect it and run it on the web server perfectly. Okay. Hope you have taken the screenshot of these 3. If any remaining, ma'am, what options are under priority? You can write it anything, low, medium, high. Harshpreet, low, medium, high. Just a type of this, you can change this field also. Okay. Any doubts you can have? Hope you have learned. Starting I have said. Okay, yesterday assignment. Kavishi, it was BFS and DFS using breadth for search, depth for search using NetworkX. You have to implement it. As we implemented disaster algorithm, you have to implement BFS and DFS. Okay, first one. Any doubts? Okay, ma'am. I will be sharing the WhatsApp. Okay. Any doubts? So, thank you, Shivam. At starting, I have said at the last you will be knowing many things about the Django. So my words are true. I hope so. Now you know what are Django, what is Django doing, how we implemented Django one procedure. I want any one of you who have made the proper notes of this, what I have taught, can WhatsApp me. The statement, the lines of this which we have created, can mail me. In fact, mail me perfectly. Mail me on this my email ID I'm sharing with you. If you have written every step properly, one of you, any who have created it. Thank you, Yuvraj. Okay, welcome. So, ma'am, I have done for today. If they have any doubt, they can ask.
Okay. So Rushiji, I think that's hello.
हाँ sir जी.
Yeah. So Rushiji, thank you very much for having such a great session. I was listening almost all of your session of yesterday that was being uploaded on the YouTube channel of our center. So students are at liberty of suppose somebody is facing network problem, then in the evening they may go through the YouTube channel of our center, and from there they can access the contents for every session.
Okay.
And one more thing that is just appreciable for you, that students are giving good feedback about your session, the contents you are covering for them, and a really appreciable job you're doing. So once again, thanks.